Good morning, dear students. Welcome to our infinity classes, second PUC mathematics annual exam preparation. So in this video, we are going to prove the most expected and important question on properties of definite integral that will be asked in the part E, question number 46. Question number 46. Question number 46 for 6 marks. And listen, dear students, it is a most important property and asking again and again for your annual exam. See here, what is the property, how the question will be asked, that is prove that integration of 0 to a f of x dx is equal to 0 to a f of a minus x. See here, what is happening here, ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂದರೆ 0 to a f of x, here 0 to a as it is. Now x is changing here, that is a minus x. Here x is changing what? A minus x dx. We have to prove this one. Then, and all the important problems that has been asked in the previous examination since from March 2014 to March 2024. See here, this property has been asked March 2014, 17, March 2014, 17, 18, 2019, 2024 and July 2016. So see the weightage of this property. It is most important property. So let us first prove the property. ಮೊದಲು ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡೋಣಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿಯನ್ನು ಪ್ರೂಫ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ हम प्रॉपर्टी को प्रूफ करेंगे और वन बाय वन जितने भी प्रॉब्लम एग्जाम में पूछेंगे, ಎಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಕೇಳಾರಲ್ಲ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಅವು ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮನ್ನು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಇವಾಗ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿಯನ್ನು ನೋಡೋಣ. ಪ್ರೂವ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ 0 to a f of x dx, integration of 0 to a f of x dx is equal to 0 to a minus x dx. So to prove this property, first we have to take the RHS, that is right hand side part, that is RHS is equal to, write the RHS is equal to take RHS part, that is RHS is equal to integration of 0 to a f of a minus x dx. So after writing the RHS, take the substitution, put a minus x is equal to t. So I am using here and I am writing here on the right hand side, put a minus x is equal to t. Put a minus x is equal to t. Yes, now differentiate this one with respect to t. Differentiate with respect to t. Derivative of a will be 0. Derivative of a is what here? 0. And then minus sign as it is. Derivative of x with respect to t is what? Dx by dt. Then derivative of t is what? 1. Derivative of t is what? 1. Now cross multiply here. Dx is equal to minus dt, as we did in the last property at the time of proving. Same thing here also. Now write once again, a minus x is equal to what? T. When x is equal to a, and when x is equal to what? B. See here, when x is equal to a, if you put a here in the place of x, a get cancelled. This implies the value of t will be what? 0. Here when x is equal to, when x is equal to 0, when x is equal to what? 0 here. So please make the correction here. So what is the limit here? That is 0. When x is equal to 0, t is equal to what? A. When x is equal to a, when x is equal to a, then t will be what? 0. T will be what? 0. Now come to here, that is if after when x is equal to 0, what is the value of t here? A. And a ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬಂತಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ 0 ಬಂತು. f of a minus x is replaced by what? t. f of t and dx is what? Minus dt. dx is what? Minus dt. So here dx is equal to what? This one. dx is equal to minus dt. So this is the part substitution. After taking the substitution ತಗೊಂಡ ನಂತರ ಇದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ RHS side ನಲ್ಲಿ. So now we have to take the minus sign outside. take this minus sign outside, minus a to 0 f of t dt. Now change of limit property, again we have to change the limits, that is lower limit will become what, upper will be what, lower, then the sign of the integral will be changed. After changing the limits, this negative sign goes out, it will become what, plus, that is integration of 0 to a f of t dt. By second property, change of limit property, according to the change of limit property, if you interchange the limits a to 0 or 0 to a, this minus sign will goes out, that is another minus sign will come, minus into minus will be what, plus. Now change of variable, now we are changing x to t, first property, and dx will become what, dt. So don't write this one, for your understanding purpose I am writing here. Now I am changing 0 to a, x change, t change to what, x, dx will become what, dt will become what, dx, that is equal to what, left hand side. So in this way we have to solve the property. And lastly I am writing here, hence LHS equal to what, RHS here. So in the last step we have to write, therefore I am writing here, therefore integration of 0 to a f of x dx is equal to integration of 0 to a f of a minus x dx. So this is the what, proof of the property. After this step you have to write this one. So this is very important property, and maximum time this property has been asked in the annual examination. So in this way you have to prove the property. So moving to the what, next solve, let us solve the what problems on this, based on this property. That is first one, that property has been asked in the year March 2014. So here first we have to take the given integral as what, I here, that is I is equal to, that is equation 1. Yes, after this one we know that, just we prove the property. We know that integration of 0 to a f of x dx is equal to what, integration of 0 to a f of a minus x dx, f of a minus x dx, f of a minus x dx. Now that is I is equal to integration of 0 to 5/4 log 1 plus tan. Now we have to change the what, x here, a minus x, here a is there, here also a minus x. So in the place of a, what is here, 5/4, now x becomes what, 5/4 minus x here, 5/4 minus x. So after applying the property, this will become what, a minus x means what, 5/4 minus x. Now applying the formula, that is tan 5/4 minus x, that is tan a minus b form. This is a, this is b, that is equal to tan a means what, 5/4 minus tan b means what, tan x, divided by 1 plus tan 5/4 into tan x, tan a minus b formula, tan of a minus tan of b divided by 1 plus tan a tan b. We have to write here, we have to write tan a plus b tan a minus b, tan a plus b tan a minus b. So after writing this one, tan a plus b tan a minus b, tan a minus tan b divided by 1 plus tan a tan b. So let us apply this here, that is I is equal to 0 to 5/4 log 1 plus tan a means what, tan 5/4 minus tan b means what, tan x, divided by, yes, that is 1 plus tan 5/4 into tan x dx. Then this one, this tan 5/4, this and this one, the value of tan 5/4 is what, 1. The value of tan 5/4 is what, 1. In the place of tan 5 by 4 we are writing what? 1 here. That is integration of I is equal to 0 to 5 by 4 log of 1 plus, this is what? 1 minus tan x. This tan 5 by 4 is what? 1 here. In the place of tan 5 by 4 we are writing 1. Then 1 plus, this is what? 1. 1 into tan x is what? Tan x. Here tan 5 by 4 is what? 1. 1 into tan x is what? Tan x dx. Tan x dx. So in the next step, see here, that is I is equal to integration of 0 to 5 by 4. I is equal to, now take LCM and cross multiply. LCM is what here? 1 plus tan x, that is log of, write the log. Then what is the LCM here? 1 plus tan x is the what? LCM. 1 plus tan x is what? LCM into dx. So I will take one step down here. Yes, see here, that is 1 into 1 1, 1 into tan x, that is 1 plus tan x plus 1 minus tan x. So 1 into 1 1, then 1 into tan x. So 1 plus tan x plus this 1 minus tan x as it is, and LCM is what? 1 plus tan x. So here tan x get cancel. Then I is equal to 0 to 5 by 4 log of 1 plus 1 is what? 2 divided by 1 plus tan x dx. Now applying the property of what? Log m by n. Log m by n is what? Log m minus log n. That is I is equal to 0 to 5 by 4 log 2 dx. This is log m minus log n, 0 to 5 by 4 log 1 plus tan x dx. 1 plus tan x dx. Then I is equal to 0 to 5 by 4 log 2 dx minus I from equation 1. So equation 1 is what? I here. That is from equation 1. From equation 1. So this is replaced by what? I. That is from equation 1. So take this minus I to the left side, minus I to the transfer to the what? Left side. That is I plus I. I plus I will be what? 2I. Now take this log 2 outside of the integral, log 2 integration of 0 to 5 by 4 dx. 0 to 5 by 4 dx. So next part, see here, the next part of this problem I am going to write here. So I am not getting the space here, so wait a minute here. So I make the space for this problem here. I will make the space. See here, sorry. So this one I am taking out here. So next steps I am writing here, that is from this one, that is 2I is equal to log 2 integration of dx means what? X, and between the limit 0 to 5 by 4. Now substitute the upper limit here. हाँ जाओ, मैं एक नंबर सेंड करता हूँ, उनको बात कर लो. हाँ that is substitute the upper limit, that is 5 by 4. Substitute the upper limit, that is 2I is equal to 5 by 4 log 2 as it is, that is 5 by 4. Then lower limit is what? 0 minus 0. Then 2I is equal to 5 by 4 into log 2, 5 by 4 log 2, because 5 by 4 minus 0 is what? 5 by 4. Then 2 4s are 8, that is I is equal to what? 5 by 8 log 2 is the final answer for this one. So in the last step we have to write, therefore integration of 0 to 5 by 4 log 1 plus tan x dx is equal to 5 by 8 log 2 is the final answer. So in this manner we have to solve the problem. Pause the video and note it down this one. Yes, write the next second problem that has been asked in the year July 2016, and this property first we already proved the property. So let us solve the problem now. That is I is equal to that is equation 1. Now we know that the property, we know that, write the property first here. We know that integration of 0 to a f of x dx is equal to 0 to a f of a minus x dx. Now applying this property here for three terms, x, x and x. So 3 times a means what here? 5 by 2, that is a minus x, that is I is equal to a minus x. Wait a minute, I am getting the call. Sir, ಅವರು ವಾಟರ್ ಡೋರ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಬರ್ತಾರ ಅವರು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಆ ಕಡೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಆ ಕಡೆ. ಸರ್ ಅದು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿಪ್ಪ, ಅವ್ನು ಬರತ್ತಾನೆ ಈಗ. ನಾನು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ, ಒಂದು ಕೆಲಸ ಈಗ ಹೊಂಟಾರ ಅವರು, ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಫೋನ್ ಹಚ್ತಾನ, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಫೋನ್ ಹಚ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ. ನಾವು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಫೋನ್ ಹಚ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ. Sorry for inconvenience because I am getting the call. Yes, we know that 0 to a f of x dx is equal to what? 0 to a f of a minus x dx. Now applying this one, now x changed to what here? A means what here? 5 by 2, that is I is equal to integration of 0 to 5 by 2 root of sine 90 minus x, then sine 90 minus x plus root of cos 90 minus x. Yes, a minus x, x changed to what? 90 minus x, x changed to 90 minus x, x changed to what? 90 minus x. After applying the property, so this is going to be what? Changes, 3 changes, that is 90 minus x, 90 minus x. Now applying the complementary angles of the trigonometry function, sin 90 minus x will become what? Cos x, that is I is equal to 0 to 5 by 2, that is root cos x divided by root cos x plus root sin 90 minus x. Sin 90 minus x is what? Cos x. Cos 90 minus x will become what? Sin x dx. Call this as equation 2. Now adding equation 1 and 2. Adding equation 1 and equation 2. Adding equation 1 and 2 we get, that is, what is the left side part of the equation 1 here? See here, observe here, the equation 1, that is I. Here also what? I plus I will be what? 2i, that is 2i is equal to then integration is common here. Here also 0 to 5 by 2, and here also what, 0 to 5 by 2. So it is common, 0 to 5 by 2. Observe the denominator of the both the equation here. So what is the denominator? Root cos x plus sin x. Here also root sin x plus cos x. It means both are same here. That is, we are writing root sin x plus root cos x. Root cos x. So only thing is that add the numerator, that is root sin x, and here is what, root cos x. Root sin x plus root cos x plus root cos x dx. Now this is going to be what, cancel, both are what, same here. Then 2i is equal to what, dx. 0 to 5 by 2, integration of is what, dx. Now integration of dx is what, x between the limit 0 to 5 by 2. Cancel admile. Now upper limit substitute marti. First you have to substitute the upper limit, that is 2i is equal to what, 5 by 2. Then lower limit, that is minus 0. Then 2i is equal to what, 5 by 2. Then 2 2s are 4, that is I is equal to what, 5 by 4. So what is I actually here? That is I is nothing but, so write the equation 1. Therefore lastly we are writing last step, therefore integration of 0 to 5 by 2 root sin x divided by root sin x plus root cos x dx is equal to what, 5 by 4. This is the final answer for this question. So in this way we have to apply the property and solve the problems. So pause the video and note it down. So moving to the what, next problem, that is I is equal to, a very important problem that has been asked with the property in the year March 2007 ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳುವಂತ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ, प्रॉपर्टी ಜೊತೆ ಕೇಳುವಂತ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ, यानी कि मार्च 2017 में ये प्रॉपर्टी के साथ में पूछे सो प्रॉब्लम है. सो इट इज ऑल्सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट प्रॉपर्टी, दैट इज I is equal to yes. So first, that is I is equal to 0 to 5 by 2, that is 2 log sin x, 2 log sin x minus log, as it is here, sin 2x. What is the formula of sin 2x? 2 sin x cos x dx. Sin 2x, look at here, in the place of sin 2x, the formula of sin 2x is what, 2 sin x cos x, 2 sin x cos x. So after that, applying the property of logarithm, that is I is equal to 0 to 5 by 2 2 log sin x minus log, here log m into n into p. Log m into n into p can be written log m plus log n plus log p. So that is log 2 plus log sin x plus log cos x dx. Then I is equal to 0 to 5 by 2, that is 2 log sin x, open the bracket, that is minus log 2 minus into plus, here it is what, minus log sin x, minus into plus is what, again minus log cos x, minus sign again here, that is dx. So here observe here 2 log sin x and minus log sin x, that is I is equal to 0 to 5 by 2. 2 log sin x minus log sin x is what, log sin x minus log 2 as it is minus log cos x as it is dx. So this is what your equation 1. Equation 1. Now we have to apply the property, that is we know that integration of 0 to a f of x dx is equal to 0 to a f of a minus x dx. So applying the property for the step number, that is equation for the equation 1. ಈ equation 1 ನಾಗ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿಯನ್ನು ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, that is I is equal to 0 to 5 by 2, that is log of sin x changed to what? A minus. Here x changed to what? A minus x. Yes, what is a here? 5 by 2. That is 5 by 2 minus x. This log 2 as it is, minus log 2 as it is. Then minus. Here cos x will become what? Cos 90 minus x. That is dx. So here we are applying the property for this step. That is sin x will become what? Sin 90 minus x. Here cos x will become what? Cos 90 minus x. So log 2, this is as it is here. That is minus log 2 as it is. So next here, that is I is equal to integration of 0 to 5 by 2 log sin 90 minus x will become what? Log cos x. So this will become what? Log cos x. After sin 90 minus x is what? Cos x. Then minus log 2 as it is. Then log cos x, cos 90 minus x, cos 90 minus x, cos 90 minus x will become what? Sin x. Yes, call this as equation 2. This is what? Equation 2. Equation 2. Adding equation 1 and 2. Adding equation 1 and equation 2. Adding 1 and 2. What is equation 1 in the left hand side? Left hand side part of the equation 1 is what? I. This I and the equation 2i. I plus I will be what? 2i. That is 0 to 5 by 2. Look at here. Plus log cos x here. Here minus log sin x. Plus log sin x minus log sin x get cancel after adding. Then minus log cos x and plus log cos x cancel. Only thing is that minus log 2 here remains, and here also what? Minus log 2. So log cos x, log sin x, log cos x, log sin x in the both the equation get cancel after adding. Only minus log 2 remains. That is minus log 2 minus log 2 dx. So then 2i is equal to what? 0 to 5 by 2 minus log 2 minus 2 log 2 dx. Then 2i is equal to, take this minus 2 log 2 outside. Then integration of 0 to 5 by 2 is what? Into dx. This 2 get cancelled. After cancelling these two, then I is equal to, so wait a minute here, I will make the space for writing this one. So next, that is I is equal to minus log 2 integration of dx is what? X between the limit 0 to 5 by 2. Now substitute the upper limit first. That is 5 by 2. That is I is equal to minus log 2 5 by 2 upper limit, then minus of the what? Lower limit, that is minus 0. 5 by 2 minus 0 will be what? 5 by 2. 5 by 2 into log 2 minus 5 by 2 log 2. Then I is equal to minus 5 by 2 log 2. So this is the final answer. And one more thing, some students are going to cancel this 2 into 2 ones are. Don't cancel this one. It is not going to be cancelled. This is the final answer, that is I is equal to minus 5 by 2 log 2. Pause the video and note it down, this one. So in this way we have to solve the problem. It is very important problem. So next, moving to the what? Next problem, that is March 2018 problem that has been asked in the year March 2018. So let us see here. So directly, that is I is equal to, first we have to take, this is equation 1. So after equation 1, we know that the property, apply the property here. We know that integration of 0 to a f of x dx is equal to 0 to a f of a minus x dx. Now apply this property, integration of 0 to a as it is. Here x becomes a minus x. X changed to what? Here also x changes, a minus x plus root of a minus here x changed to what? A minus x dx. Now I is equal to 0 to a root of a minus x divided by root of a minus x plus root of a minus a, open the bracket, minus a, minus into minus plus x. This minus a plus a get cancelled, that is dx. Then I is equal to, this will become 0 to a root of a minus x, that is root of a minus x divided by root of a minus x plus minus a plus a cancel, what is remaining here? X dx, that is equation 2. Now adding equation 1 and 2, adding equation 1 and 2, we get, adding equation 1 and 2, 1 and equation 2, adding equation 1 and 2, that is I plus I in the left hand part, that is I plus I plus I will become what? 2i between the limit 0 to a, common here. Then the denominator of the equation root a minus x plus root x, here also what? Root x plus root x, both, it means both are same here, so write as it is, that is root of x plus root of a minus x. Denominator is same, the rule of fraction said what? If the denominator is same, add the numerator values, that is root x plus root a minus x, we have to write root x plus root a minus x dx, then cancel these two terms, that is 2i is equal to what? 0 to a dx, that is 1 into dx is what? Dx, integration of dx is what? X between the limit 0 to a. Now 2i is equal to what? Substitute the upper limit, that is a, then minus of the what? Lower limit, that is 0, then I is equal to what? A by 2. So this is the final answer. So we have to write lastly, therefore integration of 0 to a root of x divided by root of x plus root a minus x dx is equal to what? A by 2. So this is the final answer. So in this manner you have to solve the problems. So these are the very easy and important problems are there. So definitely you will get the what? Out of out marks to after proving this property and problem. So next, moving to the what? Next problem, that is March 2019 problem. So here in the March 2019, what is the problem given here? First, that is I is equal to, we have to take the given problem as a I is equal to and call this as equation 1. So apply the property directly here. We know that integration of 0 to a f of x dx is equal to 0 to a f of a minus x dx. Now applying the property here, that is I is equal to 0 to 5 by 2. So here what is a here? 5 by 2, that is a here. That is x changed to what? 5 by 2 minus x, x changed to 5 by 2 minus x, x changed to 5 by 2 minus x in the given integral. That is cos raised to 5. Don't bother about the power, keep the power 5 as it is. इधर पे तरीके रखोगे cos raised to 5 as it is, cos raised to 5 power as it is रहता है. Yes, divided by sin raised to 5 pi by 2 minus x plus cos raised to 5 by 2 minus x dx. Then I is equal to 0 to 5 by 2 cos 90 minus x. So just we are talking about this one, that is complementary angle cos 90 minus x sin 90 minus x, power as it is, cos 90 minus x. So here cos 90 minus x is what? Sin x, power as it is. Sin 90 minus x is what? Cos x, that power as it is, plus cos 90 minus x is what? Sin x, power as it is, that is equation 2. Now adding equation 1 and 2, adding equation 1 and 2, adding equation 1 and equation 2 we get. See here, what is equation 1 in the left hand side part? What is the left hand side part of the equation? I. Here also I plus I is what? 2i. 0 to 5 by 2. See the denominator, root cos raised to 5x sin x means sin raised to 5x cos x. Both are same. Keep the denominator as it is. That is sin raised to 5x plus cos raised to 5x. Only thing is that we have to add the numerator, that is cos raised to 5x, and sin raised to 5x will become what? Sin raised to 5x plus cos raised to 5x. Cancel this one. Now integration of dx is what? X. That is 2i is equal to integration of 0 to 5 by 2 dx. Then 2i is equal to integration of dx is what? X between the limit 0 to 5 by 2. Now substitute the upper limit, that is 5 by 2, then minus of the what? Lower limit, that is 2i is equal to what? 5 by 2 minus 0. Then 2i is equal to what? 5 by 2. Then I is equal to 2 to the 4. I is equal to what? 5 by 4. Lastly, therefore, integration of 0 to 5 by 2 cos raised to 5x divided by cos raised to 5x plus sin raised to 5x dx is equal to what? 5 by 4. Hence the final answer of this problem. So in this manner we have to solve the problem. These are very easy and important problems are there. So just the thing is that we have to apply the property correctly and form the equation 2, and adding equation 1 into the terms will be get cancelled. Then integration of dx will be what? X here. Then substitute the upper limit, then minus of the what? Lower limit. You will get the what? Answer. And simplify this one, you will get the answer. So next problem, that is March 2024 problem. So look at here on the March 2024 problem, that is integration of 0 to 5 by 2 sin x minus cos x divided by 1 plus sin x cos x dx. So call this as equation 1 first. We have to take the I is equal to, this is equation 1, that is I is equal to, so that is I is equal to, we know that, apply the property here. We know that integration of 0 to a f of x dx is equal to 0 to a f of a minus x dx. Next one, that is I is equal to 0 to 5 by 2. Now x changed to what? 5 by 2 minus x sin 90 minus x, minus this x changed to what? Cos 90 minus x, because a minus x, we are applying the property means what? A minus x in the place of a means what here? 5 by 2, that is 5 by 2 minus x divided by again 1 plus, again here x changed to what? Sin 90 minus x. Here also x changed, cos 90 minus x. As we are doing number of problems we did now, 90 minus x, 90 minus x, 90 minus x. Now sin 90 minus x, cos 90 minus x is what? Sin x. Then I is equal to 0 to 5 by 2, that is sin 90 minus x is what? Cos x, minus cos 90 minus x is what? Sin x, divided by 1 plus sin 90 minus x is what? Cos x, cos 90 minus x is what? Sin x dx, that is equation 2. Now adding equation 1 into, adding equation 1 and equation 2 we get. So again we are adding left hand part to the what? Left hand part, right hand to right hand, that is 2i is equal to integration of 0 to 5 by 2. So see here, observe in the denominator 1 plus sin x cos x, 1 plus cos x sin x, denominator is same here, 1 plus sin x cos x dx. Add the only what? Numerator part here, because denominator will be what? Same here. So what is the numerator part here? Sin x minus cos x. Equation 1, in the equation 1 we have what? Sin x minus cos x, right here sin x minus cos x, plus add the equation 2 numerator, that is cos x minus sin x, cos x minus sin x. Observe here, plus sin x minus sin x, minus cos x plus cos x cancel. What is remaining here? 0. 0 to 5 by 2, that is 0 divided by 1 plus sin x cos x dx, and 0 by any number is what? 0. 0 to 5 by 2, that is 0 into dx is what? 0. Then 2i is equal to what? 0. Then I is equal to 0 by 2, then I will be what? 0. So lastly we have to write the answer for this question is what? Therefore that is I is equal to 0, therefore that is I is equal to 0. Here I am writing I is equal to 0, sorry, that is I is equal to 0. Therefore last step, integration of 0 to 5 by 2, write the given integral, that is sin x minus cos x divided by 1 plus sin x cos x dx is equal to what? 0. This is the final answer. So this question has been asked in the year March 2024 with the property for 6 marks. So these are very simple problems, dear students. As you are watching, we did the 4 to 5 problems. Same process we are doing. We are applying the property a minus x instead of a. 5 by 2 will be there, 5 by 2 minus x. Next problem, that is integration of 0 to 5 by 2. So this will be the homework for you people. That is the answer for this problem. Directly equation 1 and apply the property. After applying the property, terms get cancelled. You will get the what? Answer is what? 5 by 4. Answer is what? 5 by 4. Solve this problem and please write the solve this problem by your own. So it's very easy problem. So take down this one is what? Homework for you, and this one we have to do now. So this is very important problem. So that is I is equal to 0 to 5. Call this as equation 1. I is equal to what? 0 to 5. Call this as equation 1. So next we are going to solve this one. Now apply the property, right? We know that. Apply the property here for this step. We know that here we know that integration of 0 to a f of x dx is equal to 0 to a f of a minus x dx. That is I is equal to integration of 0 to 5, sorry, 0 to 5, not 5 by 2 here, 0 to 5, x changed to what here? 5 minus x. This x changed to 5 minus x, then sine 180 minus x divided by 1 plus cos square, as it is x changed to what? 5 minus x dx. So this one, after applying the property, cos 180 minus x will be what? 180 minus x lies in the what? Second quadrant. In the second quadrant, sign will be positive, then there will be no change. Sin cos 90 minus x, sorry, we did the mistake here. This is not the problem, we did the mistake. Please wait a minute. Wait a minute, we will cos 180 minus x. What is cos 180 minus x? So leave it this one. So in this video only this much. In the next video we are going to solve these all remaining problems. So we have still 4 to 5 problems are there. So in the next video we are going to solve this one also. So keep on watching my channel. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. So only still 4 to 5 problems are there on the basis of this property we are going to solve in the next video. So please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching my channel.